bird's nest.
Okay, we'll see. Alright guys, so we have some nest here in the on the porch. So we're gonna check. The bird just flew. So we're gonna see what the egg doing now. If there's a egg. Alright guys, so that one there I can't really see because just only the camera. So what you guys see? Yeah. How many guys? So how many guys there inside?
Mommy's doing it, so I'm doing it too.
See, we are in there. Oh.
And we're on this pole. I'm not
So,
touching anything. Oh.
We'll see. Gonna see again what's happening. See there, guys.
Wait, is the bird still in there?
How many inside?
Is the
So-
bird still in there?
No, it's full. So there.
So we're Can we bring it food? Like bird food?
Alright, let's go. We'll see.
I want to see it first. I'm scared. I'm
Get
scared
down. Hold. Okay, now guys, we're gonna check the bird here right now. What's going on? See? Hopefully they are. Yeah. So that's the bird over there, guys. Okay. There's a new bird coming in the nest.
Let's
We're gonna
see if
check.
they lay
We'll
some
see if
eggs.
there's some eggs, another eggs.
I didn't see
yeah.
any.
Alright, so we'll see if there's a bird. They just start. I wanna check again. Here, there's a pooping there.
Try not to touch it. No, Mommy, hold on. I'm making sure you don't touch it.
So what
I'm
is in
making sure you
there?
don't fall.
Okay.
Okay, you didn't step on it.
Alright guys, we're here at the bird nest again. This is the second time that there's have a birds
They,
eggs. We'll see if it's still there again. Hope the mother is not there. Finding the food.
oh, I think that's the mother right now.
So guys, that one there. Did you see something in there?
Sneeze like that, so don't sneeze in your hands. You don't sneeze in your hands, so you might
So
have to sanitize your hands.
okay guys, so that's it guys. So alright. You guys, we're gonna check now the bird in here. Is still the bird in there? Still the babies there? Let me check. Nothing. Let me- Let me check the bird. Oh my god, there's a lot of poop now. There's a lot of poop now here. But
The bird almost hit me.
but we'll see the bird is still here, guys.
Do not step on the other.
See guys. Hello birds.
Mommy, you don't want to
Sweetie.
stand there too long because the bird.
See, that's the birdie over there, guys. You see, guys?
Mommy, the bird's over.
How many in there? I couldn't see really. I saw the before it's like 3, hopefully. So that's the birdie in there. Oh, hello birdie. How's the birdie? See the mother and father. See the mother and father trying to.
And guys,
the-
today, right now, a bird tried to poop on my head because it went right over here. I felt it.
So the mother and father is there, guys. See?
Look at this.
Mark, stop. So yeah, so that's there, guys. Oops.
I think that's the mother
So-
and that's the father.
Guys, there. Oh.
I think
So
I'm safe from them.
so over there. All right, Mark, let's go.
Try not.
Oh, hey guys, so look at that. We come back to our nest show. Look at the birdie there. So the baby.
And guys, look how much poo-poo they dropped.
So it's a lot of poop in there. Woo, yakasha.
Don't jump.
Oh, he is scared. He's come back.
There's three.
Let me see.
No, mommy.
Baby, go step on the poo poo, Jim.
Don't.
You see there? Hi. Hey, birdie, birdie. So it's the aray, Marky. So that's the birdie, guys. Say hi. Can I touch you?
No.
So guys, that's the bird over there. How many?
Three.
Count, guys,
Yes,
count.
three.
Because we saw their heads poking out.
See, did you see it? All right, that's it. It's almost ready.
Mommy, no.
I know, Marcus. So it's almost ready, guys.
One of them like wanted to jump out.
Yeah. Wanna try to fly? Not yet.
If it jumps,
The mother and father, I guess they looking for food.
if the bird jumps, it's gonna be like this.
This is not gonna be fly.
Let me see the video.
Alrighty. So hello guys. So now we're gonna check again the birds. If it's still in there. Hello, I don't know. Okay, we'll see.
have been those birds, maybe. I don't
No, they still have there. Let me see. I'm gonna check. Okay.
You have to go on the edge.
So I'm gonna check.
No, mommy.
It's still in there.
Do not bird poop. You're stepping on bird poop, mommy.
So guys, tell me if you see something there.
Ew, you have bird poop on your foot, mommy.
That's fine.
Ew.
See? How you think, guys? Still are there? It's hard. So, yeah. Hello, birdie. I hope he's still in there.
Mommy, you literally have
All
bird
right.
poop on your actual foot, like on your skin, not
That's
on
fine.
the slipper.
So, yeah. All right, guys.
Oh, they just flew all the way there to just come back. Mommy, it's still on your foot.
Yeah. So, yeah, guys. I don't know if it's still there, the birdie.
Okay, stop the video so it won't be long.
So hello guys, so those bird, like the eggs over there now, they are in there, like we check back and forth. That's them now. That three beautiful birds. Look at that. Doesn't it? It's cute.
Hi.
They survive. Nobody, you know, nobody watch them. You know, nobody watch them, but they are safe. They are safe.
Only the father
You know?
or mother.
See, they are safe.
Don't
Quiet, so I can take a picture on the top. Okay.
you dare.